Slide the optical drive into its slot. Install one screw. Connect the keyboard flat cable. Insert the keyboard into its enclosure. Push to snap it into place. Install 3 screws. Slide the optical drive into its slot. Install one screw. Connect the keyboard flat cable. Insert the keyboard into its enclosure. Push to snap it into place. Install 2 screws. Place the case into position. Push to snap the case into place. Install 8 screws. Place the battery pack into position. Install 2 screws. Connect the battery cable. Insert the drive into the bracket. Install 4 screws. Slide the drive assembly to connect it. Install 4 screws. Connect the IOBoard cable. Insert the memory module into the slot using the notch for alignment. Press the module down until it latches. Repeat for the second module. Insert the card into its port. Install one screw. Connect the two antenna leads according to the colors. Place the speakers into position. Install 4 screws. Route the cable through the guides. Connect the speaker's cable to the system board. Engage the board into position. Install 1 screw. Place the thermal module into position. Install 9 screws following the numbers. Connect the fan cable. Place the door into position. Install 2 screws. Place the system board into position. Install 4 screws. Connect the DCInCable. Connect the EDPCable. Open the lid. Connect the PowerButtonBoard and touchpad cables. Place the port into its enclosure and route the cable into the guides. Route the EDP cable and the antenna cable into the guides. Lower the left hinge into position. Install 2 screws. Place the PowerButtonBoard into position and tape the flat cable. Install one screw. Place the UpperCase into position over the LCD module. Lower the right hinge into position. Install two screws. Engage the bezel into position. Press all around to snap the bezel into place. Place the LCD panel into position. Connect the LCD cable to the LCD panel. Rotate the LCD panel into position. Install 4 screws. Place the right hinge into position, paying attention to the cable routing. Install 4 screws. Place the left hinge into position, paying attention to the cable routing. Install 4 screws. Connect the camera cable. Tape the camera module to the LCD cover. Place the cable into position. Route the cable to the guides. Tape the right antenna into position. Route the cable through the guides. Tape the left antenna into position. Route the cable through the guides.